Okay, you lovely people, I fancy growing some nasturtiums this year. I've picked out this variety, Tom Thumb Mixed. It says on the packet, an edible ornamental that adds exuberant colour and flavour to salads. Both flowers and leaves can be eaten and have a pungent flavour like horseradish or mustard. It's a pretty spicy then. It says the flamboyant flowers are either red, yellow or orange. Tom Thumb is a dwarf variety that is about 25 centimetres tall. The short stature makes the plant suitable for pot culture. Nasturtiums are sun-loving annuals adapted to the outdoors. Sounds like a winner to me. Let's get the seeds out of the packet, show you what they look like. Oh. There we go. Little brown buggers. So I've got a pot filled with multi-purpose compost. I'm going to take 5 seeds, place them around the edge like that, push them under the compost, cover them up, water them in and come back when something happens. 17 days later and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little nasturtium plants. Nasturtium update. As you can see, the plants are now far too leggy for this pot. What I need to do is prick them out and put them in their own individual pots, which you may be able to see here in the background. Alright, let's get and do that. Well, being as gentle as I can, I'm going to try and get underneath the roots with this screwdriver, nonetheless. Loosen them up and then gently tease the plant out. There we go. And plant it in its own pot. There we go, I'm going quite deep. And that's that one done. I'll repeat the process with the others and then get back to you. That looked pretty brutal, didn't it? But I promise you these guys are going to recover. What I'm going to do now is give them a water. I'm not going to do it from above. I'm going to place them in a tray with water and allow the soil to wick the water up and give these guys a big old drink. Alright, a month and a half on, we have got 5 healthy nasturtium plants, although they do need to be planted into the ground. That one there, it's got this kind of variegated leaf thing going on. That one there, and then that one, and that one. So yeah, time they were planted out up at the plot, I think. Well, as you can see, we've got flowers on our nasturtiums. This is probably a month on from the last video segment. 2 different colours, a orange and a yellow variety, and I do have a red variety at home, which I haven't brought up, and I've just left them in a pot. How lovely do they look, eh? I haven't tasted any of the leaves or the flowers, as these guys are edible. Maybe next time. But overall, I'm really happy with my attempt at growing nasturtiums. If you've never grown these and want to try something simple and hassle-free, then nasturtiums are the flower for you. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share, subscribe, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next video, bye for now.